How to fix App Store will not load on Mac. 1. Check and troubleshoot your internet connection, if needed. 2. Make sure the Mac App Store service is online by accessing Apple System Status page. 3. Check to see if the App Store is restricted. Path, System Preferences, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Store subtab. 4. Quit and restart the App Store via Force Quit option. 5. Stop using a VPN. 6. Sign out of your Apple ID, then log back to your Mac later. Path, System Preferences, Apple ID Overview. 7. See if your Mac needs to be updated.